This Excel spreadsheet sent to me by one of my apprentices on pipspredator to share it with you. You don't have to all do this level of analysis, but it's phenomenal. You can see he's written down the trades, the instrument numbers, the hours, the predictions that he had for them, the entry dates. Like I said, trading, you don't have to do this level. The brokers will normally keep this kind of information for you anyway. But what I really liked about it that he did in keeping all of this, obviously he kept his P&L, which again the brokers would do for you, and he was monitoring across different brokers, but also he'd also kept comments and the lessons he'd learned. So if you look at this, he'd also kept the comments and the lessons he'd learned, and that's phenomenal, okay? Because that helps him. It's a proper journal, lessons learned. Didn't need to write many in the lessons learned. Yeah, it doesn't have to be onerous. And like I said, he's also written down the total profit and loss P&L by pips and what percentage return he has made as well, which is all very good. So congratulations to him as he sent me this in, because one of the things I do when apprentices send in data like this is, and part of my job is to make sure the instruments they're trading, just to see if there's any correlations between if there's always something they're losing money and always something they're making money on. And it's actually really to force them to look at their own analysis of trading. It really forces them to do it. And like I said, a couple of weeks of doing this and bang, you know, he's making returns, good returns. So I'm happy about that.